Kate here with WTI, and if you're looking to beautify your front door, this handle from Floresita is an excellent choice. We have it in the matte black finish. I find that it takes our old beaten up door and really elevates it. This has the lock and the handle separate. It was very easy to install. Our existing door didn't have a hole for the handle, so we did have to drill that, but it comes with all of the templates to make sure that you're putting it in the right spot. If you do have holes already in your door, I love that it's adjustable so it can match up with what you have, but definitely look at the listing to see if it will fit. This is a deadbolt, so it adds security to our home. It comes with keys so that everybody in the family can have one. I really like the look that this gives. It polishes up our front door. It's a beautiful way to enter your home. The quality feels really nice as well. We've had no issues with it opening or closing or locking and unlocking. Everything went together super well. It's very nicely made, so if you are also looking for a handle to spruce up your front door or maybe just to add some security, I think you'll be really pleased with this choice, and that's my point of view.